Hi, I'm joking, and Robert Coughlon did my immigration papers for both me and my family. He was actually the second lawyer that we called. The first experience was not a pleasant one. I was living in LA at the time, and I went down to some lawyer on Ventura Boulevard, and he frightened the hell out of me with his manner and the whole kind of salesy thing. And I ended up not going back to him and leaving it years before I considered doing my papers again. And then when we moved to Phoenix, I looked up, I just found Robert's name in the book actually, identified with Coughlon, which is an Irish name. And from the moment we met him, it was just perfect. He had a great manner, and he explained to me in a slow, methodical way how things would proceed with the process, and everything from that moment on went exactly as he said it would, even down to the month of how things would happen. And I especially liked the way he conducted himself during our interview when we turned up for it's one of the final stages for the interview. We walked into the interview room in the immigration office, and Robert said, "Hi, I'm Robert Coughlon, I'm Joseph's attorney," and the way he shook hands and just made a pleasant atmosphere, and I think it really helps. And it's a stressful process going through the whole citizenship thing and green card thing, and he makes it as pleasant and as stress-free as it can be, with no nasty surprises. And I can't recommend him highly enough to anybody. And he has deep empathy also, I think, because I have been in his office and sat while people have been in misfortunate circumstances, and I've seen how he's dealt with them, and he's genuine and empathetic, and I can't recommend him enough to anybody.